Hi, this is international tax attorney here, Parag Patel, to talk to you about some soft warning notices that our clients have received recently. This is a picture of IRS letter 6291. It is from the IRS Service Center located in Austin, Texas, which is the office that handles all international form type of enforcement activities for the IRS. This form was just recently received by one of our clients. It's a very interesting form, and it's important that we share this with all of our listeners just to be aware of what the IRS is doing. First of all, it's addressed to the taxpayer himself. Why we're contacting our records reflect that you may not have properly reported foreign financial assets on Form 8938 that you held with whatever the bank account is. So it actually identifies the account. It says that these financial assets exceed the threshold, which was under FATCA, and you might need to file or correct previous forms 8938. Now, this is what the IRS thinks. That doesn't necessarily mean that you do have to file an 8938. It does mean that the IRS is onto you. This is not an official notice that you're being audited by the IRS. This is what's called a soft notice. The IRS has received information, and it's inconsistent with your IRS income tax returns that you've been filing, and therefore the IRS is saying basically, hey, what's up? What's the discrepancy here? So they say that you might need to file an 8938. You might need to report the income from all sources worldwide. In addition to 8938, you have to file other forms such as FBAR Form 114, and they have a whole listing of all of the other various forms they may have to file. These are just so long and very complicated, but the IRS just gives a laundry list. And on page 2, they say that you don't have to fully report the details of the forms on 8938 if it's on one of these forms. We may assess additional taxes and penalties on unreported income. What you need to do is that you need to check out your returns, make sure they're accurate. And then the IRS says that we have a couple of programs for you. One is the voluntary disclosure practice has a 50% penalty in that program. The IRS filing compliance procedures, our office has filled out maybe about 400 clients submissions over the years. Very successful program, highly recommended by our office. Or you may have to file delinquent amended return. This is almost like a just filing and hopefully crossing your fingers. We don't recommend this last approach. We don't recommend the first approach unless you have criminal exposure. We don't recommend the last approach just because it often doesn't provide any cover for penalties. The middle one, which is the most popular one, is something that everyone should really carefully consider. Again, we offer streamlined filing compliance procedures to eligible taxpayers who can certify that their failure to report foreign income and assets and pay all associated tax due was not willful. So this is a very careful filing. But something needs to be done. The IRS is essentially warning you that they know about you and is giving you some solutions. We recommend to anybody that receives this form that they immediately get assistance from competent tax law professionals to help them. We stand ready to help you and any of your clients if that may need help. We offer a free strategy session. Feel free to contact us and we'll stand ready to help you. Thank you. In the meantime, feel free, and hopefully you don't get this form from the IRS. Feel free to contact us and stay safe. Thank you.